In this video, we're going to be talking about solving an exponential equation by using logarithms and natural logarithms, and we're going to get decimal answers on this. Okay, so our steps are that we're going to take either the log or the natural logarithm of both sides. The reason that we're going to do that is because when we have something that looks like this, log of x squared, the power rule says we can take this 2 and bring it down front and make it 2 log of x. Okay, so that's going to help us when we have these types of problems. We can apply a logarithm to both sides, and that will let us take the exponent and put it out front. Okay, so then we'll use properties of logarithms, and we'll solve this thing. Okay, so we can either use ln to do this, or we can use a log to do this. It doesn't really matter. It'll give us the same answer either way. So I'll just go back and forth between the two. We're getting a decimal answer anyway. So on this one, I'm going to apply an ln to both sides. Just put a little ln out in front here, a little ln there. So that gives me ln of 15 to the negative 8x equals ln of 11. Now, the logarithm rule says I can take this and put it out front. That is the power rule, so that gives me negative 8x out front, ln of 15 equals ln of 11. Now, to solve for x, I need to get rid of the negative 8 and the ln of 15. Keep in mind, these are all being multiplied. So if I simply divide by negative 8 ln of 15, that will cancel out that and leave the x, but I have to do it on the other side as well. Okay, so that gives me x is equal to ln of 11 over negative 8 ln of 15. That is your exact answer. Now, if you want the decimal answer, which is what they told us to do here, you type in ln of 11 divided by parentheses negative 8 ln of 15. Okay, type that in, and that gives us 0. What does it say to round to? The nearest hundredth. So this is your hundredth place. You look to the right of that, that's a 0. Okay, so we're not going to round up, and our answer is going to be negative 0.11. Negative 0.11. Okay, and you could go up here and, like, if I change these to logs instead of natural logs, the same answer. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you use. All right, let's look at this next one. So I'll do ln of 11 to the 4x equals ln of 4. So 4x ln 11 equals ln of 4, which means if I divide by the 4 ln of 11, write that down, I will get x is equal to ln 4 over 4 ln 11. Okay, let's go to the calculator. So ln 4 divided by parentheses 4 ln 11. Okay, so here's the hundredth. That's not bigger than a 5, so we're not going to round up. It's going to be 0.14. Okay, let's take a look at this next one. So we will let's apply log this time. So we'll apply log to both sides. It'll be 4 to the x minus 7 equals log base, or log of 6. And the base of these logarithms is 10. Doesn't really matter though. So bring down the exponent. That's x minus 7 equals log base 4, or log of 4, and equals log of 6. We can divide both sides by the log base 4, log of 4. Excuse me, I keep making that mistake. Log base 10 of 4. Okay, and that will leave us with x minus 7 is equal to log 6 over log 4. And if we move the 7 over by addition, it'll be x is equal to log 6 over log 4 plus 7. Okay, go to the calculator. Log 6 divided by log 4 plus 7. So give me 8.29. Okay, let's do this one. I'll use log again. So log of 9 to the x minus 4 equals log of 15. Okay, so x minus 4 comes down, log 9 equals log 15. Divide both sides by the log 9. Which will give us x minus 4 is equal to log 15 over log 9. And of course, I just add the 4 to both sides. And that gives me the exact answer of x is equal to log base 15 over log 9 plus 4. And if I type that into the calculator, let's see, log 15 divided by log 9 plus 4 gives us an answer of 5.23. Okay. All right, 2 more problems. We've got E this time. So this time I will have to use the ln since we have an E. So I'll apply an ln to both sides on this. Okay, so that will be ln of e to the 8x equals ln of 4. Now when e and ln get together, they cancel. So what's left is 8x equals ln 4. And if I divide the 8, I get x is equal to ln 4 over 8, which is 0.17. Okay, last one. Again, we'll apply an ln. So ln of e to the x plus 5 equals ln of 12. So it cancels that. X plus 5 equals ln of 12. And then I subtract 5 from both sides. And that gives me x is equal to ln 12 minus 5, which is negative 2.52. Rounding it up because there's a 5 right next to the hundredth digit.